Hello, welcome back. So today in this video, I am going to share with you one of my red hot deals for the month of February 1st through the 29th. So if you have been interested in shopping, having a personal shopping experience anytime that you would like with 31, or maybe interested in the business opportunity, I would love to chat with you today about the opportunity that we have this month. So just some benefits of joining as a consultant and creating a consultant account. We have no party requirements or no hidden fees. So you don't have to host a certain amount of parties in a certain amount of time. And so that is one thing to definitely keep in mind. Also, when you join in the month of February, you'll receive 6 months of a free website. So that's a customer facing website. So if you have a friend that, oh, I didn't realize that you had a consultant account, I want to place an order. So you would have that customer facing website for her to go and place that order on. And it's free for 6 months, which is over $100 value, which is a great deal. You'll be able to, when you enroll with one of our enrollment kits, you'll be able to choose your prints and your personalization. And then you only need to submit $200 every rolling 6 months. So you can spread that out over the 6 months, which is totally doable. You'll also receive a 40% off discount when you order under our marketplace order type. So that 40% off discount, when you order on that, it will go toward keeping you active, that $200. And so that's a great deal. And it will help you, it will count toward any incentives that you are earning, whether it be our consultant Jumpstart or our monthly incentives that we have. We have an incentive every month where if you hit $500 in personal volume, you'll earn a free set of products that month. So that 40% off will go toward earning that. Also, when we have a new catalog launch, we as active consultants with an active consultant account will get 40% off before that catalog launches, which is great. So we can have those products in our hands. Also, if you decide to make money, if you're here to earn instead of just shopping, I'm definitely here to earn, but I love shopping too. You'll receive commission on your party and retail orders. You'll get paid twice a month, 25%. And then I'm looking at my notes because there's so many benefits of becoming a consultant that I don't want to forget one. And I mentioned our AMP Jumpstart just a second ago, but if you were to submit as a new consultant $1,000 in your first 60 days, you'll receive a product credit valued at $250 to go shopping and purchase anything that you would like. And then our Hostess Rewards program, if you are interested in hosting parties or creating shopping links for someone else, our Hostess Rewards program is sponsored by 31. That's not coming out of our pockets, which I think is fantastic. And then of course, you'll also be able to earn any of our incentives or our getaways. We are earning a new incentive trip to Puerto Vallarta in April of 2025. So that's just some of the benefits. Now this month we have that red hot deal that I was sharing with you at the beginning. So if you choose this, I have two codes that I can share this month, and I have to give you this code if you are interested in this enrollment kit here. So you can enroll with our mesh large utility tote and the mesh pouches for $31, and that would get you in to create your consultant account, and such a great deal. So you'll receive a little bit of paperwork like the how-to guide and things like that in your kit. I did have the mesh utility tote, but I just don't have it in the red, but this is our mesh large utility tote. So it is the same size as our large utility tote. It's just got that coated mesh. You will be able to personalize the mesh large utility tote, and then will also come in with the mesh pouches as well. So these are great. It comes with two. So just pretend like this is in that coastal red print. I just don't have it in my hands yet, but this is that coastal red print. So to me, it's not red. I know that it kind of looks like it. It's more of like a orangey coral red. So definitely keep that in mind. But also if you were interested in joining as with a consultant account, then you do have the option to purchase one of our other enrollment kits. So you just have the three options: the $31 kit with the code, or the $50 starter kit, which is valued at $176. Of course, you'll receive our paperwork kit plus catalogs with this one. And then a step up from that one is our $150 enrollment kit. This is our deluxe kit, valued at $520. So this is a great deal if you ask me. So I'd love to chat with you if you have any questions. I'm happy to answer them about joining. But this month you can definitely join with our red hot $31 kit with one of my codes. Now, if you're watching and you have a consultant of your own, definitely chat with her about enrolling with her as a consultant. But if you do not have a consultant that you work with, I'd love to be your sponsor and help you get started as a consultant and answer any questions that you have. So let me know in the comments. I'd definitely love to hear from you. And if you're interested in hosting a party, I'd love to chat with you about that too. So I'll link everything below. You can get in touch with me on Facebook or here as well. So I hope you have a great day. Bye.